Yes, pop culture. Well, I mean, honestly, when I'm traveling alone and I want to meet people, sounds lame, but that's the fastest way to meet people. Just join one of those, get a couple of
Yeah.
beers.
Yeah. I mean, I still have friends that I met 10 years ago in Thailand. So when you're going from Thailand into Laos, you can do a land border crossing or you could do an overnight long boat journey. It's like the closest thing I can compare it to is if you think about like the ancient Egyptian boats that go up the Nile, that's kind of what it looks like, but you're going across northern Thailand and it takes up to 3 days. And that there's nothing else to do but drink and play card games and hang out with whoever else is on the boat. So at least at that time, it became a big expat thing. That's how you would go and meet people. And then those are people you would end up like traveling with the rest of your time. So the people I met, like going into Laos, I met up again in Cambodia. I met up again with them in Vietnam. So it was like a really cool way to have an unintentional like network